We will see how to fix Birdfy app movement failed to load, troubleshoot and reload the feed. So guys, to fix this issue, first thing is update your app. For updating the app, open the App Store and the Play Store because this application is available both of the iOS. Then search Birdfy, and if you don't see the update button right away, so tap on the app to view the full store page and refresh. Then clear app cache. So sometimes the corrupted temporary data can prevent the app from fetching your recorded movement. For Android user, go for settings, then Birdfy and storage and clear cache and clear data. Then reinstall. For reinstall your application, uninstall your Birdfy application completely, then restart your phone and download it again from your device and the App Store. Another thing is guys, check for the server maintenance. So guys, if an update and install does not work, so guys, check for the server maintenance. Check the official media page such as Backyard Bird Lover Facebook group to see if the other user can reporting the outage. If the server are down, app functionally typically restore within the 24 hours. Check Wi-Fi and the camera signal. If your movement are loading extremely slowly or timing out, so your camera might have weak Wi-Fi connection. So ensure your Birdfy camera is 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and try birding the bird feeder closer to your router and temporarily see if the movement begin loading properly. So guys, thank you.